dear students, how are you? Today, the lesson, we will learn two new sounds, sound S and sound Z. But before, let's check your homework. You read the text. And here activity 2, you should tick true or false. Okay, number 1, true. Number 2, false. 3, false. 4, true. Check your answers, please. True, false, false, true. Next activity. What do you remember about warm and cool corals? Write information in the table. Okay, warm corals live in warm sunlight zone and cool corals live in cold dark zones. Here, warm corals eat algae and cool corals eat plankton. Next, activity 4. Write sentences. Use the table in activity 3 and use but, however, and in contrast. Here is my examples. Number 2. Warm corals live in warm sunlight zone. However, cool corals live in cold dark zone. Number 3. Warm corals eat algae, but cool corals eat plankton. One more time, look at the answers. If you didn't do activity 4, please write in your notebook or on your worksheet. Okay, finishing with homework. Now let's learn some sounds. Prepare your notebooks and pen or pencil. We will write a little bit. So, sound number 1, sound S. What word? Star. S. Sound S. Word star. What is the letter and what is the sound? So, letter S and sound S. Letter S and sound S. Write in your notebooks. Letter S, sound S. In your notebooks. Letter S, sound S. Now, let's listen and repeat.
Star.
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 Scientist.
Scientist. Repeat.
Ice.
Ice.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Dress.
Dress. Okay, you can write words in your notebook. I will show you more words. What are the words with sound S? Do you know? For example, sea, snake, sleep, sun, star, smile, mouse, Sunday. Write 3 words. With sound S. Write in your notebook letter S, sound S, and 3 words with sound S. For example, see, Sunday, smile. Write 3 words with sound S. And next sound. Okay, what animal is it? It's a zebra. And sound Z. So what letter is it? It's a letter Z. And sound Z. So letter Z and sound Z. In your notebooks write letter Z, sound Z. In your notebooks, letter Z, sound Z. And let's listen some words. Listen and repeat.
Z.
Z.
Zebra.
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 Zebra. Repeating together.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Arms.
Arms.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Jazz.
Jazz. What other words do you know with sound Z? Repeat after me, please. Museum. Music. Wednesday. Zero. Boys. Nose. Quiz. Well done. Choose 3 words and write please with a sound Z. For example, you can choose music, quiz, please. Write 3 words with sound Z. With sound Z. Let's listen and repeat one more time. Sound S.
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 Star.
Star. Repeating.
Star.
Star.
Scientist.
Scientist.
Ice.
Ice.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Dress.
Dress. And sound Z.
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 Zebra.
Zebra. Repeating.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Arms.
Arms.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Jazz.
Jazz. Well done. Now, tongue twisters. Tongue twisters with sound S. Let's listen.
She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Okay, let's read. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now you, but faster. Let's read together. She sells seashells by the seashore. One more time together. She sells seashells by the seashore. Now your turn. Well done. Next, tongue twister with sound Z. Let's listen.
Zebra zig and zebra zag. Zebra zig and zebra zag.
Let's read. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Now your turn. Read please. Zebras. Now let's read quicker. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Now your turn. One more time. Zebra zig and zebra zag. Read quickly. And for your homework, read as fast as you can the tongue twister for sound S and sound Z. One more time. She sells seashells by the seashore and zebra zig and zebra zag. For now, that's all. Thank you so much. See you.